god, today is a hot day. I'm so thirsty.
Did someone say thirsty?
Yeah, thanks. Why did she give me water? I didn't tell her. I wonder if I can test if this is real water.
Hey, did you say an experiment?
Yeah.
Please give me this water. Now, I'll use my magical liquid to see if this water is real or not. If I put this magical liquid in the water and the purple stayed the same or a little bit lighter, so this water is clean water and your friend loves you. But if the color purple changes, that means that there is a sus material in this water and your friend is not nice for you. You see, it's changed to dark pink. That means there's a sus material in the water. Go kill her.
These are our unknown substance,
which we are going to test in the experiment.
which is either acidic, alkaline, or neutral.
Now I'll use my secret liquid that you saw at the beginning called red cabbage. It's the indicator today. It will show me if this liquid is acidic or neutral or alkaline. Okay, as you see it's blue, so that's it's between 7 and 8, and only water is neutral liquid, so that's 8. That means it's an alkaline.
Now we're going to be testing our unknown substance. We're using our indicator, which is red cabbage. So we're going to be testing if this is acidic, neutral, or alkaline. As you can see here, it's giving brownish color. I don't know. It's kind of yellow and blue. I think it's alkaline. A moment later, it turned into a yellowish color, which is larger than 8, which is alkaline.
We will put our cabbage into our unknown material or liquid to see if it's acidic or alkaline or neutral. Now it's turned to blue, so it's alkaline.
So we are going to be testing our unknown substance using our indicator, which is red cabbage. So as you see, the color changed into purple, which is acidic.
This is our red cabbage indicator, which we will test with this unknown substance to see if this unknown substance is an acid or it's neutral or alkaline. Put the unknown. As we can see, it's turning blue. That means it's alkaline.
This is our indicator, which is red cabbage. I'm going to test my unknown substance to see which is acidic, alkaline, neutral. It's between red and violet, so it's acidic.
Today we will test the red cabbage to see if this unknown material is acidic or neutral or alkaline. Bismillah. This is neutral because it stays in the same color.
This is our red cabbage experiment.
Bye.
Bye.